Yeah, hi friends, welcome back to my channel and welcome to Google Devops session. So here we have to create the simple web app using the Google Cloud Shell, and it is the URL which I'm referring to take this code. Okay, so let me open this URL. So you can see like whatever the simple code I have to use for this demo. Okay, so it is the basic Python script. I have to use this while creating the web app using the Google Cloud Shell. So it is the very basic script, okay, in which I'm importing the modules from this library. Okay, and after that we have to create a basic function in which it has the set the environment variable, and while executing this script it will return the environment variable, I mean the value as like the hello world. Okay. So you can see it is the function which is written here, and after that while executing this it will execute through this 8080 port. Okay, so the if you see the script is already written on my notepad. So let me go to the Google Cloud Shell. Then we have to write, we have to copy this code and we have to paste it here. So you can see the Google Cloud Shell has already opened. Okay, so let me open the file, like uh, cat.main.py file I have already pasted on this Google Cloud Shell. You can see it is as it is. Okay. I think you can see, I am using the same code, whatever I am already referring from this URL. Okay, let me make it large. I think it is not visible to everyone. Okay, so let me make it visible. I think it is visible for everyone now. Okay, so it is very straightforward and basic script. Okay, so what can I do now as the script is ready? So let me execute that. And make sure you can see this application would be run using the 8080 port. Okay, because I have already defined in this script. Okay, so let me execute this code using the Python 3 command, because it's a Python script. Okay, so it executed and it is running here now on the console. So now we can open it from the console directly. Let me go to the this web preview, and it is listening through the 8080 port, because that is already defined inside the script while executing it. And if I go to the web preview, so let me change the port number. Whatever the port number is listening now, like the 8080 port, I have to mention here. If the port number is different, then I have to change it. Okay, so if you see, if I'm trying to open it now, it's opening. Okay, but make sure whatever the port you have defined inside the script, you have to open it using the same port. If you open the different port, then it will throw the error. Okay, so as I told you, it is calling, and it is taking the value from the environment variable, and it is returning that value while executing, while opening that URL from the our Google Chrome. Okay, so you can see it is very basic, like the script. Okay, so we executed this script to launch the web app from the Google Cloud Shell, and it's opening now. Okay, so if you want to execute this, I will copy this code on the my video, so you can refer that. I think if you it will work for you. In case if you face any difficulties, please let us know. I will take a look on your message, then I will reply you accordingly. Okay, so thank you guys. So we'll connect in the next session, in the for the different DevOps session. Okay, so thank you guys. So please share and subscribe my channel. Thank you guys. Thank you. Bye bye.